1991, you've seen me talk a great deal about this in my other articles, the Barbary Castle Formation, which appears to be saying first dimension, second dimension, third dimension, fourth dimension, that this is a dimensional shift. Because first you have just the point in the void, then you have the rotation in 2 dimensions where it starts to fan out, and then it becomes 3-dimensional. If you connect these lines together, you have what looks like a pyramid. And then you go into the tetrahedron inside the sphere, and that's the 4th dimension right there.
Well, look at what happens here. The sun, after a couple days, is now widened to the orbit of Venus. Does this not suggest that something is going to happen to the solar system on guess what day? December 21st, 2012. They gave you the planetary alignment, and they give you what's going to happen. They show you the sun. They show you the sun changing in a very, 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 very dramatic way. This doesn't mean it's going to kill us. The other things show that it's an energetic change. And it would also appear that this indicates some sort of energetic influx, and that these indicate all the ET groups that are surrounding us at this time. These are code ciphers for different planetary civilizations that are coming in. That means the energy in the solar system is conducting those particles faster, which means it's charging up. The energy is vibrating faster, the particles move faster. It's very simple.
So what is this so-called ascension about? I'm going to go back to nuclear physics, and I'm going to go to an atom, and the simplest atom of hydrogen, because we have a lot of hydrogen in us. We're basically hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. That's what most of us are. So we have a proton here, and we have an electron in what they call a shell. Does everyone sort of remember that from basic science or something like that? And then you get to helium, and helium has 2 and 2, and then you get the next one up and you get another shell and another shell. Even hydrogen, even though it's only got 1 proton here, this other energy shell still exists. Remember how we went back to the sun has these vibrational things that cause the planets to form in certain areas? As above, so below. The macro and the micro is exactly the same. When we go through the photon band, it's a huge pulse of energy. Ever put your foot down on the pedal of a piano and hit 1 note? And all the others vibrate? And it goes woo! When we go through the photon band, every single atom in your body gets hit by this energy, and the electrons jump to the next level, or maybe even to the level beyond that. So every single atom in your body becomes energized. And as you do that, you become less dense. Higher vibration, less dense. Which people go, oh, it's 5th dimensional existence. That's the physics of it.